Let's see the problem on WSS. A random process x of t equal to a cos omega naught t plus theta, where a comma omega naught are constant and theta is a random variable which is uniformly distributed from 0 to 2 pi. Where to where, sir? 0 to 2 pi. Check whether the given random process x of t is WSS or not. Obviously this value 1 by 2 pi. This is f of theta. Check whether the x of t is WSS or not. That is the problem. Random process, what is the given? X of t is a cos omega naught t plus theta given. And we need to check whether WSS or not. To verify whether WSS or not, two things we need to verify. One is mean value, ACF value. What is the mean, sir? Mean m1 equal to integral minus infinite to plus infinite x of t into f of x, but theta is random variable here, f of theta d theta. Substitute the values, sir. Integral minus infinite to plus infinite. What is the x of t, sir? A cos omega naught t plus theta into f of theta. What is the f of theta, sir? 1 by 2 pi into d theta. This is cos a plus b formula. Na? Expand cos a plus b formula. Then a by 2 pi I am writing outside. Integral. And anyhow the limits also let me change. The function is existing from where to where? 0 to 2 pi only. So integral 0 to 2 pi expand cos a cos omega naught t cos a cos b minus 0 to 2 pi sin a sin b sin omega naught t into sin theta into d theta. That is a by 2 pi into, here we are doing integration over theta, so, and I already given omega naught is constant, so t is a constant. You can write outside. Theta is a variable here, so t is a constant, I written outside. Integration of cos theta will be sin theta. And the limits are from where to where, sir? 0 to 2 pi. Minus. Here also, sin omega naught t is a constant outside. Integration of sin is, minus cos theta. Limits are from 0 to 2 pi. Minus cos theta, sir. Substitute the limits. Just wait. Sin 2 pi or sin 0, both are 0. This term 0. Minus of, try to see, minus of cos 2 pi 1 minus cos 0 1. 1 minus 1, 0. So whole thing will be 0. 0 means it is a constant or variable. 0 means nothing varying. So we got the first point that mean is constant. So in the WSS, one is verified, that is mean. Second one, what? ACF should be the function of tau only. What is the ACF formula? Rxx of tau equal to expected value of x of t into expected value of x of t minus tau. That is expected value of what is the x of t, sir? Which is given a cos omega naught t plus theta. What is x of t minus tau? Replace t with t minus tau. So a cos omega naught replace t with t minus tau plus theta. That is a cos a into cos b formula. You can expand. So Rxx of tau equal to expected value of a into a square, 2 is not there, multiply and divide by 2. Cos a plus b and cos a minus b. What is the cos a plus b? 2 omega naught t plus 2 theta minus omega naught tau plus a square by 2 into a minus b. A minus b is cos omega naught tau. A square by 2 is a constant right outside. Remaining is expected value of cos 2 omega naught t plus 2 theta minus omega naught tau plus here also a square by 2 constant as well as cos omega naught tau also constant. Why? Because already given omega naught is a constant and tau. Tau means what? The delay between the random process. The delay may be 2 seconds or 3 seconds or 4 seconds. Like whatever may be the delay, it is a constant. So I written outside. Remaining is expected value of both. I written remaining expected value of 1. We already know that value is 1. So finally we got Rxx of tau equal to a square by 2 into cos omega naught to tau. A square by 2 into cos omega naught to tau. Why sir? Why the first term I done, or first term why I approximated as 0 sir? What is the meaning of expectation sir? Average value sir. Average value of a cos over the duration of 2 pi. Average value of a cos over the duration of 2 pi. Its average value will be obviously 0 because positive cycle is equal to negative cycle. So that's why this is 0. So what is autocorrelation we got? A square by 2 into cos omega naught tau. A square by 2 into cos omega naught tau. Here A and omega naught already given constant. So this value is purely depending upon the tau value. If tau is 2, some value. Tau is 4, some value. Tau is 6, some more value. So autocorrelation is depending upon only on tau. ACF is only depending upon tau. Mean is constant. If both conditions are obeyed, the given random process is WSS only. The verifying whether the given random process WSS or not is a common problem in ESC conventional, and calculation of autocorrelation of a random process is a common 2 marks question in the GATE examination. You can also check the previous GATE problems. Now you can try students the same thing. You can try, let for example random process A sine and remaining as it is. Try the same problem by taking sine also. It is also a random process, and ACF also we will get the same. Why we are getting the same, and from some other functions also we will get the same ACF, that I will explain you later. But anyhow you can also try for by taking sine. Now one more problem also, see here itself. For example, if the random variable is uniformly distributed from 0 to pi sir. If the random variable is uniformly distributed from, for example, 0 to pi. If it is uniformly distributed from 0 to pi, let's see sir. The same we are verifying now 0 to pi. So this is 0 to pi. 0 to pi, 0 to pi. This is 0 to pi, this is also 0 to pi. Now see, what is coming, I am writing with the red colored one. A by 2 pi into cos pi 0, cos 0, 0. So 0 minus sin omega naught t into, see, minus of cos pi minus 1, cos 0, 1. Lower limit means minus. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 2. Minus into minus, plus. Plus into minus, minus. Minus 2, minus 2 gone. So A by pi into sin omega naught t. If you see here, mean value is a function of time. Mean value is a function of time. Mean is not a constant. As t varying, this value is going to be varying. So 1 is sufficient to say the given random process is not WSS if it is uniformly distributing from 0 to pi. Are you getting my point? Of course, sorry, small thing. Here this pi only will come. So here 2 is there. That pi, because uniformly distributed from 0 to pi means 1 by pi only. So all these are 1 by pi, 1 by pi. Then here 2 will be, as it is, the 2 will be in the numerator. Sorry, the 2 will be in the numerator. That's not a matter. It's a constant of 2. But if it is uniformly distributed from 0 to pi, it is not a WSS. and for the cos and the sine we got, we analyzed that it is a WSS random process and same ACF. Why the same ACF? I will explain you further. Clear? Yeah. See the next problem. Consider a random process x of t equal to a cos omega naught t plus b sin omega naught t, where omega naught is constant, a and b are independent random variables, both having zero mean and the same variance. Determine mean and ACF. Determine mean and ACF. He given a and b are independent random variables having zero mean, means expected value of a and expected value of b is nothing but 0, and having same variance. Mean is 0 means mean square value and variance both are same, and which is equal to some value. Let's take some sigma square. Here mean square itself is variance because mean is 0. Determine mean and ACF. Let's see how to determine the mean. Mean is nothing but m1 equal to expected value of x of t. Expected value of x of t. That is expected value of what is the x of t? Is a cos omega naught to t plus b sin omega naught to t. Then it is nothing but a you can write outside. We cannot write outside because it's a random variable. So it is nothing but expected value of a into cos omega naught t, this outside, plus expected value of b into sin omega naught t. Because omega naught is constant, he already told. What is the expected value of a and expected value of b is 0. So mean value is 0. What is the mean square value is asking mean and ACF. Okay. ACF is nothing but Rxx of tau, which is nothing but expected value of x of t1 into t2 or x of t into x of t minus tau also you can write. Anything is fine, I already told. That is nothing but expected value of what is the x of t, sir? A cos omega naught to t plus b sin omega naught to t. X of t minus tau, that is nothing but this, you can take a curly bracket. That is a cos omega naught t minus tau plus b sin omega naught t minus tau. Are you getting my point? That is nothing but multiply expected value of a into a square into cos omega naught t into cos omega naught t minus tau. Next term a into b, ab cos omega naught t into this term sin omega naught t minus tau. What I am doing? Here a plus b, here a plus b, and a plus b into c plus d. What are the terms I am writing? Next, this one multiplication of those two terms gone. Next, these two. So b into a sin omega naught t into cos omega naught t minus tau plus b into b square sin omega naught t into sin omega naught t minus tau. And he given that a and b are independent random variables. So here this can be written as expected of a into expected b. Here also expected b into expected a, where its mean values they given as 0. So those two terms are 0. And remaining, if you see, this is expected value of a square, this is expected value of b square. That is nothing but both are having same. So you can keep expected value of a square as a common. If you take common, cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. That is nothing but a cos a minus b formula. That is cos omega naught tau. What is the expected value of A square means is nothing but its variance or mean square value. That is, I given some sigma square. So sigma square into cos omega naught tau. Anyhow, ACF is function of tau. Mean is 0. Obviously, it is a WSS. But here the asking question is mean value as calculated, mean square value as calculated. Why these two terms are 0? Expected of AB can be written as a expected A into expected B. Expected A and expected B means mean of their respective values. So that's why 0. Because why they given independent. Here this expected of A square, this expected of B square, both are same. Because both same variance given. So written outside. Remaining is cos A minus B formula. That is cos A minus B will become omega naught tau. A minus B. Clear?